In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a RAR file in iPhone. So I will show you the easiest way to create a RAR file without downloading any third-party app on your iPhone. First of all, on your iPhone, go ahead and open a browser and then search for RAR maker online, and then here you'll find lots of website where you can easily make your RAR file. So in my case, I'm going to opening this first website, and now we have to upload or select our files. So tap on select file, and I'm selecting files, and now all you have to need, go ahead and select your photos, videos, files, documents, or audios from your iPhone. You want to make RAR file, so I'm selecting here audio and a photo and just tapping on open. And make sure to select here RAR file, and here as you can see my two files have been uploaded here. Now just tap on create archive, and it may take some time to create RAR file here, so just wait until it's done. Once done, just tap on download and tap on download, and here as you can see the RAR file is downloading on my iPhone. Once downloaded, now I'm going to my files app and going to download folder, and here you have to search for the RAR file that was just downloaded. So here is the RAR file I just download from my browser. Now you can open this file. As you can see, it's not opening because of it's a RAR file. So this is how we can make RAR file in iPhone, and in next tutorial I will show you how to view or open RAR file in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.